What makes IKEA different from their competitors? Unknown facts about IKEA. IKEA is a Swedish multinational corporation that sells ready-to-assemble furnishings, kitchenware and household items. IKEA is the world's largest furnishing retailer with over 400 locations, selling low-cost household goods to thousands of customers. Ingvar Kamprad, founder of IKEA, was 17 years old when he founded IKEA in 1943 in Sweden. Despite the fact that IKEA is now linked with furniture, the company started out selling tiny items such as pens, wallets, picture frames, as well as clocks, kitchenware, etc. IKEA is now the world's largest furnishing retailer with no true global competition. IKEA still has space to grow as it barely accounts for 5 to 10% of the market share in the countries where it operates, despite its widespread brand recognition. Hello everyone, myself Dr. Rupal Agarwal from Your Retail Coach. We are retail and e-commerce growth consultants, and today we are going to run you through 5 unknown facts about IKEA. Fact number 5, IKEA uses a unique naming system for its items. Each product category is named after something very specific. Beds, for instance, are called after places in Norway, while sofas are named after towns in Sweden. Rugs are typically named after places in Denmark or Sweden, and textiles and curtains are named after women. Some people may be perplexed by IKEA's usage of Nordic names for its furniture, but there is a system in place. Here are a couple of examples. Frighten, which means freedom in English, is a Norwegian language bi-weekly newspaper. Hemnes is a region in Nordland County of Norway. Brimnes is a town in Sweden. Flekke in Norwegian language means to peel. Method is a Swedish term which means maker or creator. Fact number 4, distractions turn into traction strategy. IKEA knows what distracts their customers and tries to eliminate it. Kamprad opened a restaurant in IKEA shop in 1960 after he realized too many people visited the shop but left without buying because they were hungry. The in-store restaurant were created to feed hungry customers who would spend the entire day shopping in the store, as well as to make them feel cared for and welcome. IKEA restaurant has proven to build more excitement, and when consumers are excited, they are more likely to buy. They also have an entertainment area for kids. Parents can bring their kids and let them play in the kids zone area called Smalland. It's a free play area while parents continue to shop without any distraction. IKEA has also made the entire store kids friendly and have play areas for kids near sections where parents tend to spend more time, like kitchen, etc. Restaurant has healthy food options for kids at discounted prices. Fact number 3, IKEA's layout is driving sales through emotions. It is proven that over 50% of the purchases made by consumers are unplanned and impulsive. Architecture of the store, if planned properly, has proven to spur impulse buying. 20% of our buying decisions are based on logic and needs, while 80% of buying decisions are based on emotions, and IKEA is doing the same. The average size of an IKEA store is 300,000 square feet. IKEA pays close attention on how their floor plan can change the buying behavior of their customers. Fact number 2, IKEA's innovative campaigns to drive walk-ins to the store. In 2021, IKEA Dubai announced that customers can pay with the time that they took to reach the store. So customers may not pay with currency, but with their time. Sounds unreal? Yes, they can pay with their time. They are scanned by IKEA staff for the Google Maps history, and then according to the time that it records, customers can pay for buying any goods at the store. This is predominantly to motivate the customers to visit the store, as IKEA stores are usually far from the city center. And fact number 1, IKEA is a technology-driven company. IKEA has technology that allows you to design your own spaces, while their UI UX is extremely user-friendly, which assists you in picking and choosing the right furniture for your spaces. IKEA is also a pioneer in flat pack and self-assembly furniture. I hope you enjoyed the video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel to get notified each time we release a new video. Thank you.